Hey guys, it's JD from Palms of the World, and today we are unboxing and reviewing this Bluetooth speaker made by Tewell. And this is the Retrorock Classic Design speaker. If you want to go ahead and pick up one of these, links will be in the description along with a coupon code or a discount code. So if you guys want to go ahead and get one of these, it will be at a very good discounted price, and it will certainly be worth it for the price that will be discounted. Anyways, let's go ahead and show you guys around this box. So up here we have a picture of the actual speaker that shows Bluetooth and auxiliary input. On the side it shows some product specification, item name Retrorock, output power 24 watt, input 14 volt, and then we have some things here for I don't know what they're called, but there's the label for it right there. In this case I got the brown, and then also right here it shows what color you got. Same thing here, and then a little bit of a different design here. It shows knob operation, electricity use, no battery, placement for Bluetooth, and then retro design. It shows some stuff here. Anyways, I guess we could go ahead and just get into it. So here's top of the box. But let's go ahead and cut this open. So you guys can't see it very well, but it's pretty simple. You just cut right here and then pull. I can get it. There we are. Okay, and then lift this up, and there is part of it. Alright, let's go ahead and pull this out. Okay, here's an insert, and what is this? Go ahead and open this up, see what this is. This is a nice little bag, essentially. Alright, well that's cool. So here's your cable, your auxiliary cable. This is actually a really nice looking cable. It's braided too. Alright, let's go ahead and open that up and take a look at it. Okay, here it is. That is a really nice auxiliary cable. Wow. Okay, well, let's go and set that off to the side. And what else is in the bag? Okay, so a user manual. Alright, cool. Let's go ahead and open this back up and pull the actual speaker itself out. I'll be able to. Okay, there it is. Set this all off to the side. And let's actually go ahead and take a look at, I guess, the power brick. Okay, here it is. Okay, here's the power brick. It's actually branded. Okay, so it's not one of those generic power adapters that just says AC adapter on it or whatever. This is actually branded, so it's pretty nice. Probably won't burn your house down. Alright, and let's go ahead and take a look at the actual speaker. Let's open it up here. Both sides, and pull it out. Wow, there it is. It's got some weight to it. This thing is nice. Move this off to the side. There it is. As you can tell, it looks very retro. Nice texture and design on the top. This is not plastic. This is actually real. Right here, on and off, volume, skip, go back, Bluetooth, and then pause and play, and then auxiliary, and then volume here. Okay, let's take a look on the back. We have a port for the speaker, model number and stuff here, and then our input for our power, and on the bottom, nothing here. Pretty basic, but it's really nice. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is go ahead and plug this in and test it out. So I went ahead and plugged it up by the AC adapter, of course, and here is what it looks like. So it has this nice blue light on top around the volume knob, and I went ahead and just tested this out immediately after I got all plugged up and everything, and it sounds awesome so far. And I am going to show you guys an audio test in this case, because number one, unlike the headphones that I reviewed that I couldn't show an audio test on, you know, this you can actually hear. And now I have a non-copyright song that I actually made a long while ago. I forgot about it actually, and I recently came across it. So yeah, so let's go ahead and test this out. It is connected through Bluetooth and not the auxiliary port. And volume on here is, okay, well, it's pretty much all the way up. So let's go ahead and test this out. That's right there. It's about halfway. So that's what it sounds like. This port is actually functional. It really is pushing out air, which is funny. Definitely got bass, and it's loud. That is actually pushing out a lot of air. Wow. That's funny. Go ahead and turn this down. That sounds so good. I am so surprised. And if you hear a little something sounding weird, I believe that's mostly the port, and that pretty much happens on anything speaker wise. Like I have a subwoofer at home, it happens. It's because it's pushing out so much air at one time, it creates what they call a port noise. Anyways, it doesn't sound, you know, the port noise, it doesn't sound bad or anything, but it is there a little bit. Anyway, sound quality wise, other than that, it's great. I'm really surprised, and I would show you guys, you know, a normal song with words and stuff, but it's all going to be copyright, and I don't want to get a copyright strike on this channel, so unfortunately I can't show you guys that. But I did test it off camera with, you know, a normal song, and it sounded great. And this grill on here, it actually moves a little bit, and if you press on it, it does go in, so it's not some plastic thing, you know, it's real. It's actual, like, felt, I guess you could call it. Overall, I love this thing. This is so cool. I love just the overall build quality of it. It's really awesome. I really like it. So I'll get back with you guys in just a minute and show you guys my final thoughts. Alright, so what are my final thoughts on this speaker? I think it's awesome, and if you use the discount code that is provided down in the description, I think this thing will be probably the best speaker you could get for the price. Now, as it is, you know, even without the discount code for the price, I think it's great. I'm really enjoying this thing. I've been using it for a couple of minutes, even off camera, and it sounds great. I'm so surprised. Bass is there, treble is there, everything is there. It's great. And I didn't show you guys this, but these buttons right here, they do work, and they do pair up to your phone, I guess you could call it. So right here, I'm going to press that. Just going to pause it. Alright, and then if I want to go ahead and skip to like the beginning of this song, there, it just skipped. If I want to go to the end and play the next song, there we go. And so it's really cool. I really like this thing. Not a lot of speakers, believe it or not, actually have these controls left. I'm surprised this one even has them. And of course it has that auxiliary import, or yeah, I guess that's what you call it. And then you have your volume knob here, along with that light. That's awesome. I really like that. Not many speakers have that also, or either. So that's pretty cool, along with your, of course, on and off switch. So overall, once again, if you want to go buy yourself one of these, of course, use the code, and I think you could get an awesome speaker for the price. So yeah, I definitely recommend this to anybody looking for a speaker that isn't powered by batteries. Okay, so if you want to bring this around, of course you can't, because it doesn't have built-in batteries. So that kind of sucks, but whatever. I think this is more for sitting on maybe a dresser like this one, or a bookshelf or something, and just turning it on whenever you want to listen to music. Anyway, so I guess that's all for this video. I hope everybody enjoyed, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see y'all next time. Goodbye.